Hi everyone, so today I'm going to decorate my spread for September the 19th to the 25th in my vertical classic sized happy planner. I'm just going to pop these pages out. So this week is two things for me. Thursday, the 22nd, is my sister's birthday. So happy birthday, Sue. And it's also the first day of fall. So I am going to do a kind of welcome to fall spread. I want to keep this quick, simple, easy. Yeah, all those words. So I have this Cartabella paper pad. I actually ordered this 2 years ago and used it for a couple of paper crafting projects. I still have, like I keep everything, so I still have lots to use, but, and I've also picked up a little bit of extra for Halloween paper for this year, but I am going to use this scrap. So I had this, it was the bottom, the other side is jack-o'-lanterns, but I am going to use this side because this is just a pretty fall scene in a little country town, and I think it's adorable. I've also said this before, but if you take your 12 by 12s and fold them completely in half so that you have a 6 by 6 paper, 6 by 6 paper pads, by the way, work wonderfully in the classic sized happy planner. And the reason for that is this is 6 inches. So your 4 columns are 6 inches. So if you want to use some scrapbooking paper in your planner for a spread, then a 12 by 12 is perfect, but a 6 by 6 is also perfect. There are so many cheap 6 by 6 inch paper pads out there. So just to show you, is that not going to look cute across the bottom of that page? Oh my gosh, so cute. I am going to use a tape runner for this spread. And I am just going to put some tape on this, and this is going to be almost all the decoration in here. I'm going to add a few more things, but this is going to be the focal point. So I'm going to, because I don't want all these little chimneys, and I did fussy cut this out. This wasn't perforated paper or anything like that. I just took my scissors and cut the pieces that was the top of this off. I mean, I'd already used the top of this sheet of paper for another project. So that side's down, and I'm going to just making sure that all these pointy ends, all these bits that are sticking up, have tape on them, and then I can go like this just around. So for somebody who just wants a little bit of decor, something like this might be enough. You might be done here and then just start planning out your week. But I have, at Dollarama in my last haul, I picked up some place cards. These little place cards stand up like this. One side it says, I am grateful for. They're place cards, obviously, for Halloween. But I have this little pumpkin, and I am going to use it up here on Saturday and Sunday because I plan on starting to take a lot of my weekends off. I'm going to try to set it up so that I'm basically working. Not working. I can't call this work, guys. My YouTube channel is fun for me. It's when I'm doing all the things that I like to do, but I do not like the editing part and the, you know, the all that. I don't like all that stuff. This part I like. I also have this fall sticker book, and I've been trying to use things up. There's not a whole lot left in here. There are some of these, couple of headers, and some letters. That's it. That's it that's in here. So on this pumpkin, I want to put this pumpkin down over here on the weekend, just like this. And I'm going to do it so that it's actually right in the center of my weekend. And I'm going to cut this little bit here off. And then in the fall book, on this last page, there were a few weekend banners. And this one said, leaves are falling, fall is calling. And it matches this absolutely perfectly. So it matches the green in here. And it matches the green in here. And I thought this would be perfect right there. I'm liking this. And then when I go to this page here, I have some of these little headers. So I have to do in gold. Like that. I have to do in green, like this. So to do, yeah, I'm going to put this to do here. And then I'm going to put this today over on Thursday. Going to take this other little remember and put it over here, just so that I have a header like that. And then Friday is typically my shopping day, or that's what I'm going to start doing for my shopping. So this to buy header is going to go on Friday, like that. I also have out some of my Flair pens. I've got my orange, the peach, and this kind of a medium to light brown. And I think I am going to use some of these for writing in here this week. So I am going to do a trash day. So I've got those. So I'm just going to take a peek in this fall to see if there's anything else in here that I would like to use. Oh, there is. So it looks like I went to use this one other time, and that is so cute. That little cup there is adorable. So what I might do is take this orange and this pan, and I might just write I wrote hello fall, and I didn't do it straight on purpose. And then I think I'm going to take these colors a little more of the orange. There. I want a few little checklist dots. And to do that, lately I've been using a lot of these dots that are on the back page of the recipe planner book. So I am going to add a little bit of the rose gold. I have rose gold discs this year. So I'm going to do that little bit of rose gold in this spread as well by making a checklist down here. So did anybody see the fall release sticker books and planners from the Happy Planner. I have been watching a few videos of what people have received, and oh my gosh, they have some really, really cool sticker books that do the seasons. I love them, absolutely love them. And I'm thinking that that may be most of my purchases from the Happy Planner this year. Yeah, guys, they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. There. I don't need very many there. Most of that day is taken up driving. Most of this day is taken up with the paper route. So I'm just going to put maybe 2 down here. Then I'm going to pop back over to these ones and add a few more of these. Like that. And then over here, maybe some of these triangle shaped ones this time. And then I'm going to go back to the asterisks and put a couple in here. So I put a couple of asterisks down on Saturday in case I see something that I want to do. I might go down. There's a flea market that's still open yet. It doesn't stop until Thanksgiving, I think, but it's only open on Saturdays. So I might pop down there and check that out. And I'm going to put one flag down here for my TV show. And I'm going to put one flag. I'll just put it over top of that. I'm not going to try to take that off. I'm going to put one flag down here to remind me of my other TV show that's coming on, but it is on Prime. Yes, I'm watching the Rings of Power. So that's pretty much it. Now, I am going to write down, I don't have to write the first day of fall. I mean, the whole spread is kind of a tribute to that. But what I am going to do is write Happy Birthday, Susie. That's what I call my sister. Yeah, we all call her Susie. So I'm done and I'm happy with it, and it took me very little time. Not a bunch of stickers to put down. The longest thing was putting down these dots, and I could have just taken a pen and I could have used one of these. I could have anything, but I do want to show you guys. I went to Dollarama and did a haul just recently, and I bought a package of 2 of these Sharpie pens. I think they were $4. They might have been $4, around that price anyway, and they're amazing. And I am so thrilled that they do not bleed through this paper. Absolutely thrilled. So that's all I'm going to do as far as decorating, getting this ready for the week. Nothing more. And I am going to put this back in my planner. So that's it. I love it back on the desks. Love that this is such a fall vibe. I love that the fall book had just enough for me to put this little bit of harvest gold and this kind of autumn green, olive green, I guess, color in here so that it matches throughout. And I didn't have a Hello Fall sticker, so I just created this little corner. Oh, so simple, so easy. Don't let your scrapbooking papers and your paper pads and all those things just sit idly by when they can be implemented in your planner. I use them for paper crafting, but I like to use them for a lot of other things as well. If you haven't seen my fall monthly, I did a fall monthly using scrapbook paper as well. This is what it turned out like. So if you want to see how I did that, go back and watch that as well. I'm loving the fall vibes and the way you can use your scrapbooking paper to get them. So comment down below, let me know if you have been using or if you would use scrapbooking paper in your planner. And I will see everybody in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that now before you leave so you can come back and see more content. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye for now, everyone.